Today, we're launching another brand new section on the Framer Marketplace, tutorials. Tutorials come in two formats, video lessons and written articles. And you can browse by type, level, and duration to find exactly what you need. For videos, you'll see the lesson embedded right on the page. And for articles, a full written guide you can follow step by step. Lots of tutorials also include a remix link. One click, and you've got the working file to follow along with. We've seen incredible tutorials from the community over the years, and now they have a proper home. To publish your own tutorial, head to the Tutorials tab in your Creator dashboard and click New Tutorial. Fill in the details and click Submit to send it for review. Whether you've mastered a tricky effect or found a faster way to build layouts, now you've got a place to share it. We can't wait to see what you'll teach.